Now that we've finished our testing, there's several ways of viewing it. One was real time. You can watch the progress. We use various colors. Green means passing, red means it fails, and gray means it's incomplete. The job has been incomplete. So if the job has testing requirements and it also has inspection requirements, if you've done the testing and it passes, it will give you green on the testing. If you've done the inspection and some, not all, have not passed and you've left them in a failure mode, which will be red, it'll show you that as well. If you have not completed any parts of that test, it'll show gray because it's not completed. So therefore, it gives the individuals that are associated with the project, whether they're the technicians, the supervisors, the org admin, and or a read-only, which is just watching, they'll know where that the progress of that particular project is at any given time. They don't have to wait to the end of the day or the end of the week. Once the project's completed, there are several ways of getting that report to several individuals that might you want it to go to. The neat thing about aeRos is you're able to generate the report immediately because the information is in the cloud on a real-time base. So you can generate that report anywhere you're at. You don't have to wait to collect anything. You can do it off an iPad, you can do it off a computer, you can do it off a tablet and generate the report. And if you have email, you can send it right there. How do you do it? Underneath aeRos, you're going to notice where it says report. Once you hit report, then you're going to have 3 ways of looking at the report. You can look at it in a PDF format. You can look at it in a Excel. Another way is CSV files. But bottom line is that you do have flexibility of generating reports. Within those reports are multiple reporting templates. If you just want to look at your end-face inspection and see what passes, what doesn't, or just be able to view it, we have just a inspection document that can be generated. It can be generated with a couple end faces on one page or a maximum of 12, 6 on either side. Another way of looking at the data is maybe it's one fiber at a time, and on that fiber you can have the end face JPEG files for your connectors, as well as did they pass the IEC standard or a particular standard you might put in there, whether it's customized or not. And that can be per page, per fiber, all that information, plus all the test setups and the rules that were used to collect that data. You can generate those reports. Once they're generated, you can save them and you can upload them into an email and send them.